Hello once again, YouTube family, and today I'm gonna show you some packing tips for New Zealand winter to go on a ski for 1 week. And I'll show you how to pack light, stylish if you may say, when packing as well. I just wanted to tell you guys that I do use some packing cells. They're very useful, and for those of you who haven't used it yet, and also for ski slash holiday, of course, because you are wearing like bulky items, I do use a vacuum sealed bags. And so we're gonna fit it all in. I do hope that make sure to stay tuned until the end, because as a regular traveler, I'll teach you some tips as well, so then you're all packed, you're not missing out on anything. And pack light as always, to make sure that you're not traveling too heavy, right? So let's get on to it. So let's talk about the ski outfit first. And so I'm probably in 1 week, I'll probably go skiing for 3 to 4 days. And so some of the jacket that I'm bringing with me, I'm also gonna make sure that I'll be able to use it for some other days while we go around Queenstown. And so this is the 3 days slash holiday wear as well. So I've got 2 ski pants and 2 ski pants and 3 jackets, which I can interchange. And so also I'll be filming for this, of course, right? Just so that's why I have other 3 interchangeable clothes. But again, to save more space, I will be using this ski jacket that I can use for like also slash snow and slash going around. So I got this North Face brown jacket, as you guys can see, which I can also use when going around New Zealand, apart from using it for snow. And the other thing I've got is the very important, guys, is your thermals. Of course, I have 3 or 4 that I've packed. Best thing that you could buy is of course, when you're going skiing, the one that is like perspiration kind of absorbing long sleeve tops. And some other tops I got is from Uniqlo, the Ultra Heat Tech. They're really good for winter to wear. And also, before I forget, I also have the Heat Tech Ultra Warm leggings. They're a savior, guys, I'm telling you. And they're not that expensive as well. Of course, I have the gloves. I did buy the goggles as well. And yes, I've been getting this. I just didn't want to rent. So let's talk about the clothes that I'll be wearing when I'm going around. As I said, to save a bit more space, the snow or ski jacket slash going around. And apart from that, guys, I've got this nice jacket for photo and video, of course, right? That I'll be wearing when I go to Milford Sound. And I do have another puffer jacket, which I'll be wearing to go to the airport. Just a big tip, guys, whatever's the heaviest jacket, that's what I usually wear to go to the destination. And also, I'm only gonna just be bringing 2 jeans. One, I prefer the skinny one, and this one like a shorter jeans because of the boots that I'll be wearing, right? And another big tip, guys, just to layer up a little bit, I have this always been a savior. So for those of you who haven't bought yet, it's just that sometimes you have like a wool blazer jacket, which I usually bring during snow trip or like a colder winter season trip, is this lightweight warm padded jacket. It's kind of like, it's just something that you just throw it in your bag, and if you feel cold, you have an extra layer. And the best thing about this is, it's, as I said, it's quite lightweight. Like, it's very easy to pack, because I get cold easily, guys, so I have to bring that extra stuff. And for shoes, of course, I'll be wearing mainly these boots that I just recently bought in Hermes. So apparently it's really comfortable, so I'm gonna have a review after the Queenstown trip. And I'm still kind of debating myself which one will I bring. So either this one or this one. I can go with another review on this one, guys, because I used it in Japan this year, where it's winter. The only thing with this one, can't really walk, to use it if it's like a long distance walk. So what do you guys think? Should I bring this one or this one? Because this one also, obviously, I can run with it. And I do love this. When I went to Europe, it's kind of like winter, heading to winter. And this is actually really good because it's nice and warm. It's not like those mesh kind of, made that the light will go through, but this one's actually really good. So the next thing we're going to talk about is toiletries and makeup and bags. All right, so just wanted to share with you guys this toiletry that I bought, I think 2-3 years ago. I've been looking for the best toiletry bag that I could have. I was thinking buying the LV toiletry bag, but I was thinking something that's waterproof, because I travel a lot, guys. I travel sometimes twice a month, but mainly almost every month, right, because of my business. But this particular toiletry bag, it's waterproof. That's what I love about it. And the brand is called Rains, and such a nice color as well. The one I've got, it's a neutral color. And so that's this is my toiletry bag. And because I travel a lot, I've got this, bought this in Amazon. Something you could, think about as well, instead of bringing the whole bottle of your shampoo, right? So I've got it all in here. I've also got this kind of like a mini travel containers. So that's what I pretty much use. So that's other big tips for you guys. And because you don't want to travel too bulky, and even my mouthwash, right? So everything is in a kind of travel pouch. So that's it. I'm gonna be possibly bringing 1 or 2. This might even just gonna be an extra because it's only 1 week. So that's the toiletry bag. Highly recommend this one, guys, because again, something that you can just throw in. You're not gonna be worrying too much of it getting wet or getting deformed, because it's really good. And then for the makeup bag, I've got this Celine, which I'm very happy to use. Unfortunately, my LV makeup bag got stolen while I was in Europe, so I have to replace it. And so this one, I'm loving it. It's actually really good because it can fit a lot of stuff, right? Let's talk about the bag that I'm gonna be bringing. And of course, my Gucci scarf that I'm gonna be using, like so. And for the bag, guys, I'm still debating. Got the the secret Labubu, right, which has been given to me. And no haters, please. But so I'm debating whether I'm gonna use this Goyard shoulder bag, just because it's easier to carry. I do have the Anjo European bag, which guys, I'll be very honest with you. If you're traveling during winter, this is not the best bag because you can't really put it on your shoulder. So that's the other thing about this, right? But if you're looking for something that you can put on your shoulder, that's why I got this one, because it's really easy. It just goes like that, right? Even if you have like a thicker jacket. And the other thing, guys, that I'm thinking of bringing is a backpack. Haven't actually used this one, but it's the vintage, backpack. Isn't she cute? So I think it's finally time to use this backpack, right? Because it could fit a lot of stuff. And the great thing about this is, although just so you guys know, the chains is a little bit heavy, but again, I can put it like so, right? Yeah. So what do you guys think, this one or this one? So all of my travel stuff are in black and brown, so comment down below which one. So I'm still thinking which one to get. Got this really good hat that I recently bought and I've been using. It's easily packable, guys, and very light. The brand is called Lack of Color. So I got it in small medium size. The great thing about this, even if it's really windy, did you guys see the coverage? Like, yes, it will definitely protect you from the sun. I initially got the Jacquemus bucket hat, but it doesn't offer like much sun protection like this one. As you can see, for sunnies, I recently bought this Bottega sunglasses. How cool is this one, guys? I'm filming close to nighttime and that's why it's a little bit dark. I'm gearing towards the more lighter color, something versatile. I can actually still wear this inside. I do have the Gentle Monster as well, which I think I'm gonna be bringing with me also, just an extra. But this one, I'm loving it actually, because as I said, it's not too tint. And you've got this hat here. For power banks and charger, I do have this July travel case, which is really good, given that it does protect your charger. So this is what I'm going to be using. And because I'm on social media, I like to film as well. And so at the moment, I'm using the Boya microphone. And let me see if it all fits on this backpack right here. So it does fit. So that's what I'm going to be using. And so I'm going to be packing this all up now and show you what it looks like when it's all flat packed. Alright, so I'm all packed and here it is. I managed to vacuum seal all the clothes that I'm wearing. Obviously, some of the like the underwear and sleeping wear, I put it in a separate packing cell, just so to itemize each, and also separate the ski clothes to my casual wear. And guys, another tip for you guys, when you guys are going on holiday, it's very important to wear the bulky ones, just so it's not taking too much space. And I already got the clothes that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow for the airport, and also I'll be wearing the boots as well. So I did choose the Asics sporty shoes. It's all packed already, and I chose the Goyard shoulder bag just because it fits more than the backpack, the vintage Chanel that I showed you guys. And other big tip, I guess, that I'm gonna share to you is make sure to pack light, meaning you don't need to go overboard with all the clothes that you're gonna be wearing. You can actually reuse it, mismatch it, just so you're not bringing a lot of clothes, so you could travel light. And I do have a travel checklist, given that I travel every month. That's another tip for you guys. So travel checklist is very important, so then you're not gonna miss anything that you need to pack. And obviously my vitamins. I got this from Amazon, so it's really good container. And got the bag all packed, and I'm gonna just quickly throw in, like a packable extra bag just to put in all my dirty clothes. And there you guys have it. I do hope that you've learned from packing from someone that travels a lot and learned how to pack light, because guys, I'm telling you, you don't need a lot of clothes. And yeah, so thank you again, YouTube family. See you guys next time. Bye for now.